Welcome back. Natural national symbols and when implement that. Okay, in the year implement achu. First one is Lotus 1950 as blooms with the beauty. It means blooms and beauty. Next Banyan tree 1950. So medicinal values. Medicinal values. So why we choose the banyan tree? Because of there is many medicinal values. Next we peacock 1963. That is native to Asia and only bird which has a tail. So we announced, India announced national birds peacock 1963. Next one tiger 1973. Before 1972 still lion is the national animals. After 1973 the tiger is national animals because 70% of tiger in our India. So we announced, India announced tiger is our national animals 1973. Next in 2088 river Gangas. So river Gangas announced the national river. So how many length? Yeah, 25. So next elephant 2010 is the traditional animal. Okay, so we learn difference between a tiger and elephant. This is also animal, this is also animal, but differentiate. So national animal, traditional. So need to maintain Asia's and plays critical role in maintaining regious forest. Next river dolphin 2010. So 2010 there are two. One is elephant, another one is river dolphin. So reliable indicator of the health entire river ecosystem it is in the endangered list. Next lactobacillus. Okay, lactobacillus 2012 lactic and bacteria group. Okay, major part, they are friendly bacteria. Next king cobra is announced which year? 2000. It is also maybe 2010. Okay. Next, mango 1950, rich resources vitamin A and C, D and mainly cultivated the plains. Okay, so next we'll take page number 164. So again they descended down the hill and came into same place that they had watched the river dolphins. They parked the vehicles, rested for a while. Ponni came out of the vehicles and watched through binoculars. She noticed something strange. She could not control herself. Whispered, "Uncle, look there." All of them quickly turned to look with their binoculars. They saw tigress with their 3 cups. Andrisha tiger drinking water from the river. When I captured the beautiful scene with her camera, nobody dared to see anything other than tigers. Till the left, the river of Bang vanished away. This the real king of the forest, said Manimoran. Okay, it is absolutely true, said Veena. They all got back to the vehicles. So return aitanga. Veena asked the team question. Okay, team take kekranga. Do you know there is something common between all the wonders you have seen today? So nama paatha ellame common enna irukke. Yeah, what common? Please tell me quickly. We are very eager to know, said Ponni. All that we saw today are our natural national symbols. Yes, correct. You are correct, Veena. This did not strike me. Enakku idu strike agaliye, said Manimaran. Manimaran sir, wow, correct da. Ana enakku idu strike agaliye. Very good. Appdin solrar. So avங்களுடைய part முடிஞ்சிச்சு, finished. Okay. Next we learn other symbols. So forest la nama flag la paaka mudiyadha. So other symbols we discuss about. Okay, shall we move? Yeah, national flag. The tricolor flag is our national flag. Okay, the 3 colors are of the same width and they are arranged horizontally. The saffron, this is the saffron. Saffron, the top represent value and sacrifice. The green, and you know very well, okay, the green at bottom represents fertility and prosperity. White between represent honest and peace, purity, and Ashoka Chakra or the wheel, navy blue represent truth and peace, Our national flags, length and width proportion 3:2 respectively. Underline that word. And Ashoka Chakra, 24 spokes in it. You learn in second standard also. Okay, isn't it, ma? Yeah. Next, national emblem. The 4 lions of top of the Ashoka. Okay. So next, Satyame Jayate has been inscribed at its bottom. It means truth and alone trumps. The national emblem consists of 2 parts, upper and the lower part. So upper and lower. The upper part, 4 lions. Let's watch that. 1, 2, 3 and backside 1. So 4 lines facing the north, south, east, west. This is the circular pedestal. One can only see 3 lines at a time. So one time la nee endha 3 line da paaka mudiyum. Next, the lower part has an elephant for energy, horse for speed, a bull hard work, and lion majestic. The wheel righteousness placed between them the emblem found in the top of the government communications of India, currency and passport. So இத நீங்க எங்க பார்க்கலாம்? நம்ம currency noteலயும் passportலயும் பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? Next இந்த கொடிக்காத்த. So flag பார்க்கும்போது கொடிக்காத்த குமரனை பத்தி படிச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? So 1930ல ஒரு struggle நடந்துச்சாம். திருப்பூர் குமரன் என்ன செஞ்சிட்டார்? கையில இருந்து அந்த flag கீழ போடாம விட்டார். This passage information the Erode Kumaran, Tirupur Kumaran. Okay, Erode district level Tirupur Kumarana patti ulladu. We already learn it. Okay, so you just read and recall that. Okay, next the national flag was designed. Yarvana. So this is a very important. So Pingali Vinayaka from Andhra Pradesh. The first Indian flag was worn at Kudiyatham. So underline that Kudiyatham in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu. This flag was hosted by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on 15th August 1947 at Red Fort, Delhi. This flag is now exhibited at the St. George Fort Museum, Chennai. So these are the very important. Okay, ma'am. So Sarnath has chosen to be our national emblem. The national emblem was accepted 26 January 1950. So, accepted 26 January. So, next is national anthem. So, the 4 lines chosen. So, as our emblem is now placed at Sarnath Museum. Next is national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. It symbolizes the sovereignty and integrity of our nation. This anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali. This was transcribed in Hindi, was accepted by the Constituent Assembly 24th January 1950. So underline. So listen, national symbol emblem accepted 26 January. National anthem accepted 24 January 1950. The rules to be observed while singing the anthem. In national anthem sing pandradhukku rules. Okay. So this is also important. The anthem has to be sung at a duration 52 seconds. So underline that 52 seconds. Everyone should stand erect while singing the national anthem. So stand still. One should understand the meaning while singing. So பாடும்போதே அதை understand பண்ணி அந்த meaning உணர்ந்து பாடணும்.